winning over the UV Red Warriors in straight sets. We have Coach Vicky Sada, Dan Nicolas, and Lois Agamban. Coach Viv, congratulations for this victory, ending the season on a high note. Your thoughts about your campaign this season? Your thoughts?
Actually, we're very happy for where we are right now. We started actually, struggling on the way, but I think the team is ready to improve a lot and we're going to reach what our goals. And actually, it is how to win. And the results that's coming out, I think we're very, very satisfied with what's happening.
Thank you, Coach Viv. To Dan Nicolas, you have 5 blocks and you finished with 15 points. So, yun, after all the struggles this season, the Fighting Maroons ended the year with a win. Your thoughts about your team's campaign this season?
Sobrang saya po kasi yung first round po kasi medyo di po talaga, medyo off po talaga yung game ko. So naisip ko talaga na this game is kailangan ko ma-redeem ang sarili ko na makabawi, na prove na as a captain kailangan kong mag-contribute sa team, hindi lang sa spike, kundi magampanan yung pagiging middle blocker.
Thank you, Dan. You had 7 of 15 attacks and 1 service ace. 2, Loisa, you had 20 points on 18 of 41 attacks, 2 service aces, 11 digs, and 13 excess receptions. So, first of all, are you coming back next year? And what are your yung this season? Ano masasabi mo sa campaign this season? Yun nga, maraming struggles, pero after all, you ended the year on a positive note.
Personally po, happy po ako kasi kahit naman po natatalo po, pero yun, for me, every natapak po ako sa game, talagang binibigay ko po yung 101% na best ko sa paglalaro. Kahit po na dehado or may advantage po kami, talagang ina-all out ko po. And yun po, yung fighting spirit po na sinishare ko po dun sa mga teammates ko. And yun, na-play naman po. And yun, kahit po na hindi po gano'n or na-reach po yung goal namin this season na makapasok sa Final Four, I believe na hindi po kami, personally, hindi ko po nararamdaman na talo kasi yun nga po, nag-i-improve naman po eh. And at the same time, yun, parang nag-improve naman po kami, hindi ko po na-feel na talo kasi pag naramdaman ko na po na talo, ibig sabihin po, tumigil na po ako mag-try.
Thank you, Lois. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Question for Coach. The team hit some speed bumps in the second and third sets, and then the team was able to kick it into high gear for the fourth and fifth. What can you say about the effort and closing out the game successfully for you?
Actually, I would say that these are part of playing. You always reach a point where you become saturated already, that you don't actually know what to do next. The team has been trying a lot to be able to overcome those bad games or bad times. And we're just waiting actually, and we're very confident that they will be able to bring up the best that they can, okay, based on our practices that they can handle.
For the players, meron kasi dun sa 2-12 record yung 12 losses, may mga winnable games din kasi dun na parang malapit na pero kinukulang kayo. Siguro, moving forward, ano yung kailangan ng team para yung mga ganong klaseng laro, nakukuha niya rin at natatagyan sa forward.
Actually, yun nga po eh. Meron talagang close this season na talagang, kumbaga, panalo na po namin, which is, yun po, na-reverse win power, nakakuha pa ng kalaban. Which is siguro, kailangan lang po talaga naman yung matibay po yung pag-iisip namin sa mga hard times po na situation. And ayun, siguro, and at the same time, kailangan po namin i-improve yung individual skills po namin para mas mailabas po namin yun yung team.
About ng food siguro po, yun nga, sa pag-iisip talaga, lalo sa mga ganang tight set and sobrang hard na situation, which is dapat ma-overcome namin every season kasi yun nga, any possible situation na pwede talaga mangyari sa lahat ng game. dapat ng mga ganong bagay, kailangan siguro sa training may encounter namin sa mga ibang kalaban, may encounter namin para sa mga kasunod na mga ganong situation, parang hindi kami nangangapa. Parang yun.
Also looking ahead, so ano yung gagawin ng team right now? So, for season 87 maging contender ang sa Final Four. What are your plans so far? As of this moment?
Actually, it's a long plan. Because we have to overhaul the whole team. So the events or the things that we have to do. Like for example, one is that we need more exposure. So we need more tournaments. Because those experiences that we learned from them is also what we use when we start to go to the UAE League. Another is actually we want to have to improve more, as I said, on the mindset and see what we can do to get our advantage on that matter.
Congratulations, Coach Give, Dan,